What a fine day it is, everybody. Do watch a tutorial video, and welcome back to our channel App Tutorial, where we post tutorial video. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a TikTok account. So for those people who do not know what TikTok is, basically TikTok is an app where you guys can watch 60-second videos. A lot of people know about it. Alright, now if you want to log in into it, it's pretty simple. There's two ways to log in into it. You can use your Gmail account, or you can use like the inbuilt login feature of it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Just go under profiles. Once you go under profiles over here, it's gonna show you this. Click on login or sign up, and you can either use your phone or email, or as I said, Google. You can even use your Apple ID, Twitter, or your Facebook. All right, but I'm gonna use my Gmail. But for an example, if you use your phone or email, what you have to do is at the bottom there's login. Click on that first and click on use phone, email, username. Type your phone number, email, or your username. Click on send code. A code is going to be sent to your phone number, email, whichever thing you wrote, and then you need to enter the code, and through there you can log in into it. That's one way. And the other way is you can click on your Google and click on continue, and from over here you want to choose which Google account you have created a TikTok account. So I've created my TikTok account using the second one, so I'm going to click on the second one and wait for some time now. And after some time my TikTok should open up just like this. Yeah, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into a TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.